Chapter 6: Expanding Your Reach with LinkedIn Ads. LinkedIn ads offer a targeted and effective way to expand your reach, increase brand visibility, and generate leads on the platform. In Chapter 6, we will explore the strategies and techniques for leveraging LinkedIn ads to achieve your business goals. By understanding the different ad formats, targeting options, and optimization strategies, you can maximize the impact of your advertising campaigns and reach a relevant audience of professionals. Understanding LinkedIn ad formats. LinkedIn offers various ad formats to suit different marketing objectives and budgets. Familiarize yourself with the available ad formats, including A. Sponsored content. These ads appear directly in the LinkedIn feed and blend seamlessly with organic content. Sponsored content allows you to promote articles, videos, or other engaging content to a targeted audience. B. Sponsored in-mail. This format allows you to send personalized messages directly to the LinkedIn inboxes of your target audience. Sponsored in-mail enables you to deliver targeted messages, such as event invitations, product announcements, or personalized offers. C. Text ads. These are small, text-based ads that appear on the right-hand side or top of LinkedIn pages. Text ads are cost-effective and can be used to drive traffic to your LinkedIn profile, website, or landing pages. D. Dynamic ads. Dynamic ads are personalized ads that use LinkedIn member profile data to deliver highly relevant and personalized messages. They can include profile pictures, job titles, or other information to capture attention and drive engagement. Defining your advertising goals. Before launching a LinkedIn ads campaign, it's essential to define your advertising goals. Consider whether you want to increase brand awareness, drive website traffic, generate leads, or promote specific products or services. Clearly defining your goals will guide your ad creation, targeting, and optimization strategies. Each goal requires a different approach, so be specific and measurable in determining your desired outcomes. Targeting the right audience. One of the key advantages of LinkedIn ads is its powerful targeting options. Use the available targeting criteria to narrow down your audience based on factors such as job title, industry, company size, location, and more. Refine your audience by considering their interests, skills, or groups they are part of. By precisely targeting your ads, you can reach the professionals who are most likely to be interested in your offerings, increasing the effectiveness of your campaigns. Crafting compelling ad copy and visuals. Captivating ad copy and visuals are essential for grabbing attention and driving engagement. Write clear, concise, and compelling ad copy that communicates the value proposition of your offerings. Highlight the benefits, address pain points, and use persuasive language to entice your audience to take action. Use eye-catching visuals, such as high-quality images or videos, that are relevant to your message. Ensure that your ad copy and visuals align with your brand voice and resonate with your target audience. Implementing conversion tracking. To measure the success of your LinkedIn ads campaigns, it's crucial to implement conversion tracking. Set up conversion tracking pixels on your website or landing pages to track actions such as form submissions, purchases, or downloads. By tracking conversions, you can analyze the effectiveness of your ads, optimize your targeting and messaging, and make data-driven decisions to improve your campaign performance. Testing and optimization. To maximize the effectiveness of your LinkedIn ads, continuous testing and optimization are key. Experiment with different ad formats, headlines, visuals, and targeting options to identify what resonates best with your audience. A/B test different elements of your ads, such as call to action buttons or ad placements, to determine the most effective combinations. Monitor the performance metrics, such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and cost per click, and make adjustments accordingly. Optimization is an ongoing process that allows you to refine your campaigns and achieve better results over time. Setting a budget and monitoring results. When running LinkedIn ads, it's important to set a budget that aligns with your advertising goals and overall marketing budget. Determine how much you're willing to spend daily or over the duration of your campaign. Monitor your ad spend and performance metrics regularly to ensure you stay within budget and achieve your desired results. Use the analytics and reporting features provided by LinkedIn Ads to gain insights into your campaign performance, understand the return on investment, and make informed decisions for future campaigns. Expanding your reach on LinkedIn through targeted advertising can significantly enhance your brand visibility, lead generation efforts, and overall business growth. Understand the available ad formats, define your goals, target the right audience, craft compelling ad copy and visuals, and implement conversion tracking. Continuously test, optimize, and monitor your campaigns to maximize the impact of your LinkedIn ads and achieve your desired outcomes.